Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Rinky here. Before we start the tutorial, please make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to notified every time. Today we learn how to paint buffalo plate checks patterns with the help of masking or abro tape on stationery organizer. It's a 3-step organizer. It is available with P3 MDF Mart and link is in the description box. We need 4 shades of any color of your choice. I have taken a brown color. Paint lighter shade on the whole box, on all sides. And take darker shade inside the boxes. For various craft updates and classes, you can connect with us on Facebook and Instagram too. The links are given in the description box below. After complete coloring, take a half-inch masking tape. To get proper measurements, place a small vertical piece to get perfect alignment. Press all the tapes properly so that colors won't peep out. In this way, cover whole piece with tapes. Now take other shade of brown darker than the base. After complete dry, remove the tapes and it will give you a beautiful stripes effect. Now place the tape horizontally in the same manner we have placed it in a vertical way. You can try different colors also, like black and red or blue shades or the shades of yellows and orange. Whatever color scheme you want to try, you can try with this technique. You can create beautiful photo frames too with this technique. Now take the darker shade, that is the dark brown, between the tapes. Now add tape vertically without removing the earlier tapes. Placing the tapes on correct position is very important to make play effects. Otherwise your checks will be spoiled. Now paint the medium shade. After complete dry, remove the tapes and we will get the beautiful played effect. You can try other combos too, they look awesome too. You can beautify any wooden base with these beautiful plates. You have to repeat the same process in all four sides. To add more beauty to my project, I have taken a decoupage flower motif, fussy cut it in a shape. To embellish it more, I have taken a corner resin embellishment. Place it with the help of glue gun. It will add more beauty to my project. Apply decoupage glue wherever you want to place the motif. Grease it well with any card to remove the air bubbles. I am doing some stenciling too. I will stencil the random words with the white paint and stencil brush. To give monotonous look, add golden dry brush to the embellishments. Stationery organizer is ready for your office tables or kids' room, and it's perfect for giftage too. I hope you like the tutorial, and do shower your comments how you like the tutorial, and stay tuned with us for more and more crafty tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.